Okay, here we are, problem 11. I got two curves, y equals 1 over x and y equals k over x, where k is greater than 1. So just so we can label this, this first function here, I'll just kind of, just on the tail end of it, this is y equals 1 over x. And on the upper tail here, this would be y equals k over x. If k is greater than 1, that would be true. So I want to find the area of region A in terms of k. So I'm going to kind of utilize some of the space up here to the right. And region A would be equal to the integral from 1/6 up to 1 of k over x minus 1 over x. Right, upper minus lower. And really what I could do is I could call this k minus 1 over x if I wanted to. So let's see if that makes the algebra easier. It potentially couldn't, but I don't know. We'll see. From 1/6 to 1 of k minus 1 all over x dx. All right, so if I integrate that, I'll start to work my way down here. So that would be the natural log of x. I didn't want to write that there though. Whatever. Times, I don't like this syntax. Don't do this at home. K minus 1 evaluated from 1/6 to 1. All right, I'm going to complete the rest of my work down here, and I'm going to clean that up because that's ugly. So that would be k minus 1 ln of x from 1/6 up to 1. All right. So let's do it. That'd be k minus 1 times ln of 1 minus ln of 1/6. Okay, which would be k minus 1 times ln of 6. Okay, so ln of 1 is 0, and minus an ln of 1/6. I can bring this negative 1 up as an exponent, which flips the fraction on the inside. So that's what I get there. Find the area of region B in terms of k. We're going to do the same thing. B will be the integral now from 1 to root 6 of the same function, k minus 1 over x. Okay, so B will equal k minus 1 ln of x evaluated from 1 to root 6. So let's evaluate this. B would equal k minus 1 ln of root 6 minus ln of 1. Of course, we know from earlier that ln of 1 is 0, so I get k minus 1 ln of root 6. Okay, so let's see what they got in store for us here in part C. Find the ratio of the area of region A to the area of region B. So that means I want A to B. Another way you could write that is A to B, like that, with a colon. So if I took A over B, that would be k minus 1 ln of 6 over k minus 1 ln of root 6. In this case, it's nice, k minus 1 reduces. So what would be the ratio simplified if this is what I was looking at? Well, again, what I can do is I can pull the radical, right, the square root out. Since it's a power, I can pull it out in front. And they're hoping, that shouldn't all be in red, but whatever. You get that I can pull it out as 1/2 there. what ends up happening is they're hoping that someone gets fooled into thinking the ratio is 1/2. The ratio is not 1/2, it's 1 over, right? ln of 6 reduces, it's 1 over 1/2. So the ratio of A to B is 2 to 1, or could be written as A to B is 2 over 1. All right, so there you have it. That's problem number 11. I hope that made sense, and please, again, bring questions if you got them.